right, go ahead. Damsel in distress. Not today, Bear!
Are you okay?
No. Duh.
And who are you?
I'm Prince David, and who are you?
I'm Princess Elizabeth.
What are you doing out here?
Well, I was on my way to Grandmother's house till that stupid bear tried to kill me.
You want me to walk you there?
Sure.